Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to play Spotify on multiple devices simultaneously. Can Spotify play on multiple devices? Of course, you can play Spotify on multiple devices simultaneously if you are a Spotify Premium subscriber. You just need to be logged into the same Spotify account on each device. But when it comes to free Spotify users, unfortunately, you cannot play Spotify on two devices or more at the same time. Only Spotify Premium users can stream on multiple devices at the same time. Don't worry, we will show you how to listen to Spotify on multiple devices with no limitations no matter you are using Spotify Premium or not. So first, go to Spotify app on your mobile device and open it. Then, log into your Spotify Premium account. Now, follow the playlist that you wish to listen to, then click the download option to get the playlist on your device. Next, activate the Spotify offline mode on your device. On your mobile phone, settings window of the Spotify app and tap the playback button. Then switch on the offline option. You can now play offline on one of your mobile phones. And then go to the other device you wish to play music on. Then log in with the same Spotify Premium account in Spotify app. Finally, play Spotify playlist on the other device online without limitations. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.